Hi there, I'm Emily and this is Scout, and today we're going to be making a bat peg. So what you're going to need is a peg, the bat template already cut out, some double-sided tape and some scissors. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is grab our peg. And let's grab a bit of our double-sided tape and just peeling off a little strip, cutting it, and once we've got our little strip, we're going to place it on our peg just above where the metal part is. So just placing it there, like so. And that is where our head will go. So let's peel off the backing of our double-sided tape. Peeling it off. Sometimes it can be tricky to get it, so don't hesitate to ask an adult if you need help. There we go, just got it. Perfect. So our double-sided tape is there, and now we're going to glue our bat face onto where our double-sided tape is. So just like this. And once you've got it in the right position, press down, press, and there is our little bat head. Now we need our bat wings so you can fly all night long. Here's our little bat wings. Bat wings. They are going to end up just on the back side. We're going to put some double-sided tape and then we'd put it on, and so it will look like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our double-sided tape. We're just going to grab our template as well, and in the center part of our template we're going to put just enough double-sided tape to cover the template, and just snip it off there. Snip. Perfect. So it will look like this. And now we are grabbing our peg already, making sure the back is face up. We're going to take off this backing of the double-sided tape. And we're going to place the double-sided tape down onto the back of the peg, like so. There we go. And you see how I have made it halfway down where the head is. Let's turn it over. And perfect! There is our beautiful little bat peg. He can go clip on stuff and hang about. I hope you enjoyed making your very own bat peg with me. Scout's getting tired, so we'll see you next time. Bye now.